refer to the Irish Aviation Authority Act and ask the Tánaiste if the Government has agreed a proposal this year to grant a permit for Santa Claus to travel the length and breadth of the country. As Chairman of the Children's Committee, I have been contacted by numerous concerned parents and children, who are very keen observers of the new politics in this House and the tendency noted of the Fianna Fáil party to water down the Government proposals. So I have been asked, Tánaiste, to clarify with you that you might confirm to the House if the Government has had negotiations with the Fianna Fáil party on the proposal to grant a permit to allow Santa Claus travel in Irish airspace, if the Fianna Fáil party has an agreed position on that proposal, and that if they have agreed not to oppose the proposal, and if indeed they have agreed not to or insisted on watering it down, which would result in partial delivery to the households throughout the country. So, Tánaiste, if you could confirm that for the House, it would be appreciated.
Certainly a very interesting question, Deputy. Tánaiste.
I can confirm there's absolutely no difficulty with Santa Claus's permit for travel this Christmas. There's been no objections put in by anybody.